Just try not to get mad.
Yeah.
Try to breathe. I when I asked you to turn off Amazon off.
Yes. Meow.
No, man. Yes, cat. Please don't get mad. Please
Fish.
breathe. Breathe, Falcon. Try not to hit the table. I don't want that in the background. I can't. You can't concentrate.
Hello,
Yeah.
Ryan.
Say hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Ryan.
Ryan. Hey, G.
Hello.
Hi, G.
Hi.
Hey, G.
Hi.
Hey, hey, G.
Hi.
Hey,
Hello. Happy Thursday.
Thursday.
Say happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday.
Hi, Ryan. Huh?
Here. Here. Here.
Ryan, breathe.
You okay?
Yeah, he's good.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, G. G.
How are you?
Here. 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 How are you?
1 second,
How are
Ryan.
you?
Oh. That's something.
We're having trouble with the internet, but we're back on.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
1 minute. No problem. Breathe, Ryan. We have the time. Breathe. 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 Good job.
No. This looks funny. Okay. Let's show you story now. Okay, Ryan. You ready?
Ryan. Yes. Here.
Okay. Let me just put it up for you because it looks funny if I do it before putting it up.
Here.
All
Here.
right.
Here.
Let me
G.
share with what
G.
over here.
G.
All right, Ryan. So Ryan, from this menu, which season do we want to start out with? Do we want to start out with
Green.
spring,
Green.
fall,
Spring.
Spring?
Spring.
All right.
Spring. Hey, what? Spring.
Okay. We're going to do open response.
Is always say bye.
Okay. All right, Ryan. Are we ready?
Here. This. This.
Okay.
This.
So, Lucy.
This. SG. Suppers. He. Were. Me. She. This. Sarah. Sarah. But. Well. Then. Right. Then. Were. We. Do. This. And. Then. We. See. Be. Waiting.
So what do we? What might Lucy be planting?
Flowers.
Might she be planting a flower?
Flowers.
You said it?
Flower. Flower.
Good job. So let's say Lucy is planting plants. All right. Let's say Lucy
is pretty was.
Good job. Thank you. All right. Go to the next. Where am I gonna put it? Oh, sorry. All right. Let's read the next one. Addison.
First, that it had, and reverse. She was to me, so she will see right on her what to shoot and the rain. What the we is she made drop. She's a worthy as the.
What might Addison grab before walking out the door?
So that is
A jacket. Okay, so let's say Addison will grab a jacket. All right, let's read this.
that is a sin will drop a jacket.
Good job. Let's go to our one. All right, let's read.
Better just his state a racy the by she is that word the she is that fly he the stay why the we is the ratio is way outside.
How is the weather? Do you think the weather is outside? Is it windy?
Ready. No.
Is it gonna be windy for Michael to fly his kite?
Yes.
Good. The weather is windy. Okay, let's read it.
The person is ready.
Good job. All right, let's go to our next one. Let's read it and let's take our time because I know sometimes you want to go a little fast, but let's take our time, okay?
Jasmine says that Batman why the major she is she says her the person is the three Sarah to the be the making
Can we infer that? What can we think Jasmine might be making? Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Might Might she be making
the
ice cream with bananas?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
She is
Mm.
making
Mm,
ice
mm,
cream with
yes,
bananas.
no.
Okay, so let's start from here. Let's read it.
She is making a street with banana, banana,
Good
banana.
job.
Mm,
All right. Let's read it.
so
Erica
with up this this first this this first water it but she is was us so draw the she meant she meant be the ring.
Where might she be going? Might Erica be going to school?
Yes, yes, yes,
Right. Good. Say Erica
yes.
is going
So,
to school.
so,
Let's read it.
that is three, two, so, so, so,
Good. All right, let's go on to the next one. And read it for me.
Tammy, S.A. Freshman, where the baby, where a shape, as Josie, to, is, with back, where the we, as a Jamie, when we join, the sweetie,
Think that he might be going camping, that Tony might
yeah,
be going camping.
yes, yeah, yeah,
All right, let's say Tony might go camping. All right, read it for me.
Jamie, Matt, George, Jamie,
Good.
Calm down.
All right, let's go to our next one. Read it for me, Ryan.
Jamie, yes, free women, a first, a is, was certain, miss, she is, a this, it is, but Jamie, Jamie, might be making,
What do you think Karen might be
nothing, women, 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 women,
So she might be making lemonade.
women, yes, 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 yes.
All right, so let's read it.
There
Karen
is ready were made, were made, were made, made,
All right, read it for me.
Mr. was ready, so were to shatter as it is, but even when party we take me, ready, Serene, Serene, Serene.
How do you think Monica's feeling that she's going
Yeah,
to
yeah,
miss
wow.
soccer practice because it's raining?
Yes,
Do you think that Monica's going to be feeling sad
Yes.
or happy?
shut,
Mm-hmm. Good job. So let's say Monica is feeling sad. Read it for me.
Mother is shut, shut,
Good job.
shut,
So you want to read it for me again?
yes, yes,
Let's read the sentence. Monica is
shut,
good. All right. Let's read our another story.
Tracy,
Tracy
Ray, Asaba, Ray, Daddy, do so today we this is the person is right outside for sun.
So what do you think? How do you think the weather is outside? Is it sunny or is it raining
Remy,
outside?
Remy, Remy, Remy,
Rainy.
Remy,
So let's say the
the
weather
outside
outside
is
is
rainy,
raining.
me,
All right, let's read it. The weather outside is raining.
Remy, it's Remy,
Good. All right, read this one.
heavy I said so we see this this the the
Ryan, read.
the right
So okay, so Henry is outside and he's gonna water the new growth that he see outside. So what do we think Henry is going to do with the water? Is he going to water the plant?
that's a bet
Do we think Henry's watering the plant?
bet yes bet
Henry will
it's
water
a
the plant.
brush
Let's say Henry.
What is the brush?
Good.
Yes.
All right, let's read this one.
Samantha just a person I am she just I do this so I see this she just a person so a person after the way we to with the draw
Okay. So what do we think Samantha's gonna do with the chalk, Ryan? Do we think that she is going to draw on her driveway?
yeah
Yes or no?
yes
Okay. So Samantha
will
will draw in the driveway. All right. So let's say Samantha will draw in the driveway.
just free it's a free 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 just free
Let's say Samantha
wow
will draw in the driveway.
free free
All right. Sherry ran. Wait, Ryan. Ryan, let's start from the beginning because I couldn't hear you in the beginning when you started with Sherry.
Sherry were in the house with us and the video and was we see some of the fish in the so yeah we short
What did you think Sherry found on the tree branch in her driveway?
yes
What do you think? She has found a bird?
right right
Yes? So let's say Sherry found a bird. Read it. Say Sherry found a bird.
Say it again.
Good job, Brian. Right. right, we're going to do go back. Can we go back? Let's see. The same one. Okay, here we go.
This, this,
Say Lucy.
this, us, the, simple, she, miss, she, to, there's, so, hey, the, she, is, she, this, the, so, the, we, is, rest.
What? Okay. So Lucy's project. What do we think Lucy's project was? Lucy fishing?
Yes, 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 yes,
You sure Lucy was fishing?
yes, yes, yes.
Brian, have been.
No, no,
No, because Lucy had gloves and she was afraid of getting her hands dirty.
yes,
Do you think Lucy was planting?
yes, service, service,
Ryan?
yes,
Do we think Lucy was planting with her gloves on?
yes, yes,
Okay. So let's say Lucy was planting.
Lucy, Brady,
Good. Yes, she was planting. All right. Why is it not going now? Okay. Let's read about Addison.
Addison was has studied height and his brain was she was to he so does he is what do she so when party he see when the party da
So what can we infer she might grab before walking out the door? What do you think Addison is gonna grab before walking out the door? Her hat, her jacket, or her umbrella?
Jacket.
Jacket. Good job. Oh, it was wrong.
Hat.
Do we think it's the hat or the umbrella?
Hat.
The hat. Let's see. Hmm.
Umbrella.
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 Good job. That one was a little tricky because I thought it would be her jacket or her hat. Okay. It's okay. All right. Battery low.
Matches. Is matches. His this and the he we to see his the very
Battery low.
All right, I agree.
right outside.
What do you think the weather outside is? Do we think that for Michael the weather might be rainy, sunny, or windy outside?
Sunny.
Battery low.
Ready.
Sorry, gotta move you for a
You
second.
think it's
Sorry, my battery. Okay. Go ahead.
okay?
It won't reach up to the other. Is this okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry.
No problem. How?
Oh, it died anyway. That's okay. Can you still hear us?
He
Hold on. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. It's weird. Oh, it's my phone. God. Okay. It's both of them. Okay. Okay. Let's try it again.
Power on.
Ready, ready,
Connected.
ready, 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 ready. Yes. Ready, ready, ready.
Battery low.
Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with this thing today.
Power off.
Remy, Sammy, Sammy, Sammy,
He can't. It's raining, Ryan.
Remy. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Sorry. He can't really hear you because his speaker died.
Sammy,
Barely. Barely.
Sammy,
Yeah, barely, because I can't
Sammy,
get the volume to go up anymore.
Sammy.
Will you be quiet for a second? All right. Okay. Sorry, I didn't have my stuff charged today. Say, have a good weekend.
Weekend. I say weekend.
Bye,
Weekend.
guys.
Bye.
Thank you.